Morning, guys. Hey, McQueen! What y'all doing? We got you a drink. Thanks. Ah. Looks like you got a case of the hiccups. Yeah. Anybody know how to cure hiccups? Try scaring him. Guys, please, what's gonna scare the great lightning McQueen? Ah! Except that. Never show that. Did it work? No. I got an idea. Drive as fast as you can. Try to catch me. Oh, this will be fun. Wait, so how is this gonna cure me? Water causes the hiccups. And when you run, you sweat. And when you sweat, you lose water. And if you lose the water, it'll cure the hiccups. That makes no sense whatsoever. Wait, did it work? No! Wow! Ugh. Well, that didn't work. How about this? Hold your breath as long as possible. Go! Did it work? Well, I've done all I can do. Mate, have you tried a drink of water? No, Louis, I don't think... Louis, I don't think that's what drink of water means. Amico, have you tried my new invention yet? I didn't know you were an invent. Well, I am now. Take one sip of this, and anything that is wrong with you will be fixed. Cancer? No, we haven't gone that far yet. What's in it? You don't want to know. Well, it certainly tastes... Probably should have tested it first. You think? And it didn't even work. No, guys. You're doing it all wrong. You gotta hang him upside down. Whoa! Thomas, man, you know nothing about hiccups. You gotta spin him around. Whoa! How about another drink of water? Ow! Lois!
Guys, what are you doing?
McQueen has hiccups.
Guys, put him down!
Whoa!
I got this.
Hey, I'm cured.
Yep.
Ah! I can't deal with this. Did you try Cars 2?